Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you into Huck's World, and today we got WFP in the building, bringing another bag creation to the table. This one is a nice digital watch face with a touch of elegance to it, right? Now, the name of it is called WFP 0138. Now, what I really like about this watch face is the analog theme that's blended in with this digital watch face. It gives it an elegant taste, and I'm loving this design. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, same design, same layout. You will be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Your digital time is going to show white. Now, once the watch face is on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. You're going to get your battery percentage up at the top. I like that it has the actual battery and the battery percentage. You come down, you're going to get the day of the week, your date, and also your month. Now you get a nice big bold digital time, and I really like the look of the font. Everything is very legible. You get seconds right up under that. And then if you look down at the bottom, I really love the fact that they put all your step status info together in one place. Now you're going to get info on your heart rate, your steps, also your miles walked or ran. So this is definitely a nice look for a digital watch face to be dressed down in on any given day of the week. Now, if I double tap, I can change the color theme of the watch face, and it gives you 20 in all. That's right, 20 different colors, which means you can color coordinate with pretty much almost anything, right? To tie into whatever attire you have on for that day. So I thought the developer gave us enough in this watch face to say, hey, it's worth the download. All right, but let's go ahead, let's check something else out. If I tap in the middle, you got settings within the menu. So if I tap here, I could go into my alarm, set my alarm, also my calendar. You can go here and set a favorite if you so choose. And here, you're gonna be able to get your recents. That's what I call it. Some other people call it task manager. You got your stopwatch or your alarm, and also your heart rate information, your step status info, calories burned, sleep, heart rate, all your step status info you can ever want to need. And you can make a phone call as well. All right, so I thought the developer did a really good job with this one. I think it's worth the download. And if I'm not mistaken, yes, it should be affordable in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.